Hey you guys, it's Molly from Molly's Artistry. I wanted to give you a sneak peek of what I'll be doing today. It is a colander pour on a spinner. Stick around, see how I did it. Hey you guys, it's Molly. I got my spinner in, so thank you Nate Cerami so much. I'll link his channel below. But he gave me the advice to get this, and you guys have been saying, why don't you try spinning it out? So you know what? I'm trying it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I'll list my colors below, my pouring, simplified pouring medium. It came with all these really cool gadgets too, so I am definitely gonna be playing around, moving some paint around. But I'll put the link in my Amazon store. So I purposefully used more paint than I normally would because I don't know how this is gonna go, and I don't know if it's gonna get everywhere. I'm just gonna go for it, guys. I'm using gold, Paynes gray, cerulean blue, and copper, and white. So I don't know. I'm excited though. I want you guys to tell me, what have you been working on? What have you been trying to perfect? Because I've been working on a lot of stuff. And sometimes it gets like overwhelming and I have to write it down on a list of what I'm gonna try because I wanna try like everything. I see everybody doing everything and I wanna try it. Okay, so moment of truth here for this part. Gonna lift up and let it drip out. Hopefully my metallics weren't too thin. Ooh, I got a cool one in the center this time. My table's not exactly leveled this way, unfortunately. Should have measured that part. I did leveling this way. Okay, I'll take you in. Oh, this one's really pretty. Look at that center. I like these colors together. You guys let me know what you think. Okay, I'm excited. I'm gonna spin it. Watch like nothing happen. Okay, I hope it doesn't fly off. Okay, so far so good, but I think it's not level. Let me see if I spin it the other way. I'm trying to get it on this side, and I think it's because it's not level. Oh my gosh, it's really pretty though. I may have to tilt the rest of it. Ooh, it's starting to splatter. This is like catching somebody on a merry-go-round, you guys. Oh, the effects are still there. But I kept my center and I kept the outside, so way to go, Nate. Gosh, I wonder if I can. I'm gonna shift my weight down here. Let's see if maybe that will help. There's one little thing that I saw right there. A little blob. Somebody else's recommendation for tweezers. Okay, I'm gonna spin. Woo! Oh gosh, I should have spun from the bottom. Okay, it's getting there. And then I think I might just leave it. Let me see if I can get to this corner right here. got some weird bubbles in here. That probably came from just bubbles in the paint. I was so excited. I mixed like super fast. Okay, I'm gonna spin one more time. I'll spin from the bottom. And this has a silicone pad underneath so that it won't slide. Okay, just gonna touch the sides here to get it to come down. I'm not gonna tilt any, I'm just gonna leave it thick and hope that it doesn't crack. Get all my sides. Really cool. So it spun a little bit more to that side. I need to make sure that it is really level. But I love this, you guys. I'm gonna be using this for a bunch of different stuff. Oh man, I love it. So cool. I like the colors too. Okay, I'll take you down and show you. And I didn't get any paint on me. That was great. Guys, that was like, I was talking to one of my friends about doing a blooper reel because, oh my gosh, like all kinds of crap happens to me. I fall over, like, my entire table fell over the other night. Oh gosh, this is beautiful. Look at the edges. There's that effect in the center as usual. I mean, on the sides. There's my center this time. Oh, I love these colors together. Y'all, I'm really excited about this. There's those dots, meh. But that's just from the paint. But there she blows. Wow, I really like this one. You guys let me know what you think. What else do you want me to spin on here? Wow, I love this one. Look, you guys that wanted the edges, I left the edges. All right, you guys, sorry, I got super excited. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Happy painting. Bye.